Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to Emmanuel Tutorials. In this video, we'll be looking at another question that was asked in the GATE CS paper. It's an aptitude question, which in the paper was question number 4. So we'll look at the question. It says, 10 friends plan to share equally the cost of buying a gift for their teacher. When 2 of them decided not to contribute, each of the other friends had to pay rupees 150 more. The cost of the gift was rupees dash. So what we are expected to find in this question is the total cost of the gift that the friends plan to gift the teacher. So we'll start solving it. Now the total number of friends, there are 10 friends. Supposing we write this as n. Now since they are sharing equally for buying a gift, we can say that the individual contribution we can denote it by x, and the total cost of the gift it can be y. So from the given data, from the initial part which says that they share equally for buying the gift, we can write an expression as 10 into each of their individual contribution will be equal to the total cost of the gift. Now we'll see the second part of the question. It says, when 2 of them decided not to contribute, each of the other friends had to pay rupees 150 more. So of these 10 friends, 2 of them have decided that they won't contribute for the cost of the gift. So now only 8 of the friends will be paying, and because 8 of them are paying, each of them has to pay 150 more. So this equation can be written as 8 multiplied by, to their individual contribution they have to pay 150 rupees more, and on doing this they will get finally the total cost of the gift. These are the two equations that we have. We can try solving them. The first equation, it can be rewritten as 10x minus y equal to 0. The second equation can be written as 8x plus 8 into 150, which is 1200 equal to y. So rewriting it in this form, we'll get 8x minus y is equal to minus 1200. So we can solve these two equations simultaneously. 10x minus y equal to 0. 8x minus y equal to minus 1200. We will subtract this equation from the first one. So this sign becomes plus and this sign also becomes plus. So the equation will be 2x. These two terms will get cancelled. It is equal to 1200, which implies that x is equal to 600. Now this value we can substitute in any of these upper equations. We'll take the first one. 10 into x is equal to y. Therefore 10 into 600 is equal to y. Now remember, y was the total cost of the gift. So y, it is equal to 6000. So the total cost of the gift which the friends decided to buy for the teacher was equal to 6000 rupees. Hope you all understood. It is an easy question. We only need to understand how to solve it part by part. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share our videos and also subscribe to our channel for more. If you all have any doubts or queries regarding any concept, please post it in the comment section so we can upload some videos and related to those concepts. Thank you.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.